In a kingdom far away, Prince Adrian lived a life of luxury. He had everything a young man could dream of: wealth, education, and endless opportunity. He yearned for greatness, to be a respected leader of his people, to leave a legacy. But a shadow loomed over his bright future: his own lazy heart. Adrian was a master of dreaming big, but a novice at working hard. He believed success was a gift of time, not the fruit of effort. He sidestepped challenges, ignored his duties, and perpetually waited for the perfect moment to begin. One day, his father, the king, saw the dangerous path his son was on. He decided life itself must become Adrian's teacher. The king sent Adrian to a remote, impoverished village for 1 month with a single command: tell no one you are a prince. Stripped of his title and comforts, Adrian was forced to see the world through new eyes. There, he met a farmer, his hands rough and his face weathered, who rose before the sun each day to till the soil. He saw a carpenter, his knuckles scarred from years of mistakes, who shaped wood with a patience born from failure. He observed a mother, her eyes tired but full of love, working 2 jobs just to feed her children. And one evening, he watched a young boy huddled under a flickering streetlight, his face illuminated by a book, fighting for an education he wasn't simply given. For the first time, Prince Adrian understood the true cost of success. It wasn't found in grand declarations or wishful thinking. It was paid in sweat, in patience, in unwavering discipline, and in the quiet consistency of showing up every single day. He began to work alongside the villagers, his soft hands blistering, his muscles aching. He struggled, he failed, but he didn't give up. Slowly, he changed. Adrian returned to the palace a different man. The lazy boy was gone, replaced by a future king who understood the profound truth: ambition without effort is just a wish. Dreams don't work unless you do. Discipline is the bridge that connects who you are to who you want to become. He was finally ready to earn his future, not just inherit it. Remember, the crown does not make a king. His discipline, his work, and his heart do. Thanks for watching.